This video will guide you through the process of replacing the ignition coils on a 2006 Honda Odyssey V6. The ignition coils are located under the engine cover, bolted to the engine head over the spark plug wells. Begin by removing the engine coils. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns. Always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. Be sure the vehicle is on a level surface, with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. Remove the plastic engine cover to access components. Disconnect the ignition coil connectors, then remove the bolts. Use a mirror to help view the coil packs on the rear side of this engine. Give a slight twist, then pull the coil pack off the spark plug terminal. Finish by installing the ignition coils. Apply a minimal film of dielectric grease to the inside of the new ignition coil insulator boot. Carefully slide ignition coils into their respective mounting holes. Tighten the ignition coil bolts to 12 Nm or 8.7 foot-pound. Foot do not exceed the specified torque value or damage to the ignition coils may occur. Proceed by reconnect the ignition cables to the corresponding coil packs in correct order. Finally, reinstall the plastic engine cover. This concludes the procedure for replacing an ignition coils on a 2006 Honda Odyssey V6 3.5 liters. Thank you for watching.